Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineers Help Desk. Today with a new video, time period for the removal of form work for different members. Viewers, it is very important for a civil engineer or a site engineer working on site to know that the period for removal of form work. Viewers, why it is necessary to know the removal of formwork period? Because if you remove formwork early, then the structure may not attain its full strength, or the structure get deformation or any cracks due to early removal of formwork. So viewers, ACI recommends proper time period for removal of every member. So we have few example. In today video we will discuss them. First of all, we will discuss column. Viewers, you can remove column formwork after 24 hours to 48 hours. It's depend upon engineer decision working on site. You can remove formwork of column after pouring 24 hours to 48 hours. Mean between this time period you can remove formwork of column. But viewers, you should remove before 48 hours, because if you didn't remove column formwork after 48 hours, then may column get cracks, because horizontal formwork should be removed between 24 hours to 48 hours, so that concrete can get air and its temperature decrease. So viewers, our next example is beam. Viewers, beam have formwork in these sides, this stopper and this sides and this soffit. This part of beam which is in vertical position is called soffit. You can remove this side, this side, this side in 24 hours to 48 hours. Same as column, you can remove formwork for beam for this side and this side, but you cannot remove this soffit formwork in 24 hours to 48 hours. You must need 7 days. Formwork for this soffit should be removed after 7 days. This is very important. And viewers, after 7 days complete formwork will not be removed. We provide some props. Props are supporting folding pipes that are provided after removal of formwork, so that structure may not deforms. So viewers, our next example is wall. As wall is also a vertical structure, so its formwork will be removed between 24 hours to 48 hours. Now this is another example which is footing. Viewers, this is column, as we discussed column earlier, so we will discuss footing. Footing has this side, this side, this side and another side. 4 side head formwork. So you can remove footing formwork from 24 hours to 48 hours, same as column, as it is also uh, vertical formwork. Also remember this, for any vertical formwork you can remove it from 24 hours to 48 hours as per engineer decision on site. Now viewers, this is slab. Come to our last example, which is slab. You can remove formwork of slab within 3 days. Within 3 days you can remove formwork of slab, but remember this, if the span is less than 4.5 meter, if the span, this is span length, is less than 4.5 meter, you can remove formwork of slab in 3 days, after 3 days. But viewers, if this span is larger than 4.5 meter, if slab span is greater than 4.5 meter, then the formwork will be removed after 14 days. Then after 14 days you will remove formwork for this slab. This is very important, understand this, because slab is the most important structure, and its formwork should be removed in proper time, because for column, for beam, sides, for wall, for footing, you can remove formwork after 24 hours to 48 hours anytime. But for slab you must follow the instruction, the guideline. For slab, if the slab span is less than 4.5 meter, you can remove formwork after 3 days. But if the span is greater than 4.5 meter, you have to remove formwork after 14 days. And after 14 days or after 3 days, when you will remove formwork, you must have to provide props. Props are folding pipe that are provided to give them support, and these are provided for 5 to 6 days normally, or you can provide it for 7 days. Viewers, hope that you like my video. Viewers, this is very important, because sometimes fresh graduate engineers or even experienced engineer also confused in this structure. This is a technical thing, and engineer always stand and always uh, apply technical things on side, as this is our duty to apply technical things on site. So hope that you like my video. Please share my video so that I can get more viewers, more subscriber, and so that I can make more videos for my channels. Hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you.